Scrolling message on LCD display. LCD display driver, a liquid crystal display, or LCD, draws its definition from its name itself. It is a combination of two states of matter, the solid and the liquid. LCD uses a liquid crystal to produce a visible image. Liquid crystal displays are super thin technology display screens that are generally used in laptop, computer screens, TVs, cell phones, and portable video games. In this tutorial we will see how a 16x2 LCD display is controlled using Arduino. Here is the connection diagram of this project. 16x2 LCD display has two lines. Each line can display 16 characters. This display has 16 pins. First pin is ground, second is VCC, then contrast, RS, RW, enable, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, VCC, and ground. Pin 1 and 2 provide the supply for its internal circuitry, and pin 15 and 16 provides the supply for its backlight. We have connected pin number 1, 5, and 16 with the ground pin of Arduino, and pin number 2 and 15 with the 5V. Pin number 4 of LCD is connected to the pin number 12, and pin number 6 of LCD is connected to the pin number 11 of Arduino. Pin 7, 8, 9, and 10 are not used. Pin 11, 12, 13, and 14 of LCD display are connected to the pin 5, 4, 3 and 2 of Arduino respectively. This is the code of this project. To control the LCD display, we will first include its library in the program. To include the library, we will write in the first line, #include liquid crystal.h. Then we will declare the name of the used pins, in the sequence of RS, enable, D4, D5, D6, and D7. We have connected RS pin of LCD with pin number 12 of Arduino, D7 of LCD with pin number 2 of Arduino. Void setup is a function in which we have initialized the LCD. LCD.begin 16,2. It means we are using 16 columns and 2 rows of the LCD display. LCD.print. This function will print the message written inside the brackets on the LCD screen. Delay 1000. This function will generate a 1 seconds of delay. Void loop. This function will run over and over again, so whatever we write inside, it will repeat forever. In this project we have print the message with 33 characters, so this for loop will run 33 times. To shift the message of 33 characters, LCD scroll display left. This function will shift the printed message once towards the left. For loop will run this function 33 times. Delay 100. This function will generate a 100 milliseconds of delay. Now, we will write a code on this software. After writing the code, we will save our project. Now we will compile our code. For doing this, press this check button. If there is any error in the code, or the code is incorrect, it can be seen on the message screen below. If the code is correct, we can upload it to our Arduino hardware board. For this, we will first connect the Arduino board to the USB port of our computer. Now we will go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Then, we will go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Now, to transfer this code to our hardware, we will press this arrow button. Now we will assemble our hardware. We will take 3 wires, 1 red and 2 black. We will use these wires later. Now we will solder a black wire at hole number 1 and red wire at hole number 2 of LCD display. Now we will solder a white wire at hole number 4 and brown wire at hole number 6 of LCD display. Now we will solder orange, yellow, green, and blue wires at pin number 11, 12, 13, and 14 of LCD display. Now connect hole number 16 with hole number 1 using a black wire, and hole number 15 with hole number 2 of LCD display using a red wire. Now connect hole number 5 with hole number 1 of LCD display using a black wire. Now connect hole number 3 with hole number 1 of LCD display through a 1 kilo ohm resistor. Now we will connect the LCD display with our Arduino hardware board. Connect the red wire with 5-volt pin and black wire with the ground pin. Now connect white, brown, orange, yellow, green, and blue wires with pin number 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, and 2 of Arduino respectively. Now we will power up our circuit and test its functionality. We can see that the message is scrolling on the LCD display, as we have declared inside the program. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help in your project, or to clear your doubts, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To purchase the items used in the video, you can visit our website www.erolltech.com. You can order us on our WhatsApp number also. Thank you so much.